You know how AI sometimes just makes stuff up? What if we could fix that? What if we could get answers we can actually trust? Well, that's what we're talking about today. We're diving into the tech that makes it happen, something called RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. Let's break down how it's making AI truly useful in the real world, right now.
Okay, so you're probably wondering, is this just some cool lab experiment, or are real companies actually using it? And the answer is a huge yes. In fact, chances are it's already working behind the scenes in some of the tools you use every single day, and you don't even know it.
Now, to really get why RAG is such a big deal, you first have to understand the problem it solves. You see, standard AI models, as powerful as they are, have this interesting quirk. They hallucinate, which is really just a nice way of saying they confidently make stuff up. And obviously, that's a huge problem for any job where, getting the right answer actually matters.
The solution, though, it's actually pretty brilliant in its simplicity. Think of it this way. RAG basically gives a standard AI a new rule, a prime directive. Before you answer any question, you have to go look it up in a pre-approved library of documents. That's it. That one simple step is what keeps the AI grounded in facts, in verifiable reality.
All right, so where is this actually being used? Let's start with the first big area, inside the office. We're talking about the internal tools that employees are using every single day.
Let's paint a picture here. Imagine two scenarios. First, you've got an employee who just wants a simple, straight answer about the company's HR policy on remote work. Or, picture a developer who's lost in a massive code base and just needs to figure out what one specific function does. I mean, these are perfect, everyday problems that RAG is built to solve.
And here's where you really see the difference. A regular AI might give you a wishy-washy answer like, I think so, but you should probably double-check. But a RAG-powered system, it's already checked the official company handbook, so it gives you a super precise answer. And get this, it even cites its source, telling you exactly where it found the info. No guessing games, just the facts.
The benefits here are, well, they're immediate and they're huge. You get accurate answers straight from your company's own data. Those pesky hallucinations? Gone. For developers, that means debugging just got way faster. But what's really fascinating to me is that this isn't just about saving a few minutes here and there. It's about completely changing how knowledge works inside a company. It basically makes every single employee an instant expert.
Okay, so we've covered inside the office. Now let's step outside and look at how AI is serving your customers. This is another area where RAG is having a massive impact, especially when it comes to building better, faster support systems. Come on, we've all been there, right? You're on some e-commerce site, you've got a super specific question for that little support chatbot in the corner, and you need the real up-to-date policy. You don't want to guess, you need the right answer, like right now.
And what's happening behind the scenes is just so smart and efficient. So you ask your question. The RAG bot immediately dives into its knowledge base and pulls up the latest official policy document. And here's the key part. It generates an answer based only on that verified info. The result? A perfectly helpful, accurate answer every single time.
And for the business? Well, the bottom line impact is just undeniable. When you can give people instant, correct answers, they can help themselves. And that takes a huge load off your human support agents, which means lower costs and, let's be honest, much happier customers.
All right, let's move on to our third area. And this is where the stakes get really, really high. We're talking about mastering incredibly dense and complex documents in fields like law and medicine.
For professionals like lawyers or doctors, the problem isn't a lack of information. It's that there's too much of it. It's completely overwhelming. RAG steps in here like a super-powered research assistant. It lets them just ask a normal question in plain English and get an instant synthesized answer from like thousands and thousands of pages of super dense text.
And you can see the impact across all these critical fields. For lawyers, it's like searching decades of case law in a matter of seconds. For doctors, it's instantly pulling up the latest clinical guidelines. And in the business world, it's finally making sense of those massive internal reports that nobody ever had time to read.
And the benefits here are just profound. Yeah, of course, it saves a ton of time on manual research. But what's way more important is that it improves the actual quality of their decisions, because those decisions are now based on solid, verifiable data. And in fields like these, that doesn't just lower business risk, it can actually reduce human risk. That's a huge deal.
Okay, so when you pull it all together, what's the real advantage of RAG? Why does this one piece of tech matter so much?
Look, it really just boils down to this.
With RAG, accuracy goes way, way up. You're getting access to real-time, up-to-the-minute info, and this is the big one, the risk of the AI just making things up, that whole hallucination problem, it basically drops to zero. It's all about making AI predictable and trustworthy.
And that right there is the main takeaway. If you remember one thing, remember this. The whole point of RAG is that it finally connects the amazing creative power of AI to real, verifiable, and trustworthy information.
So, what does this all mean for the future? Well, there's no doubt about it. We're looking at the next chapter for AI.
And it's really not an exaggeration to say this. RAG is what's powering the next generation of truly useful AI. It's the key that's making AI systems not just clever, but reliable and trustworthy enough to handle the really important stuff.
So that leaves us with one final thought to chew on. After hearing about all these different uses in the office, for customer support, for deep research, I gotta ask, what part of your work could use a smarter, more reliable assistant?